burn a hole in the seat.
Have a hot butt.
Just don't burn a hole in my leggings. I like these ones.
No guarantees.
I hate that.
Alright, so we did get another delivery. More buggy parts. Let's see which package we got. Ooh, Crow safety gear. See if we ordered the right stuff. Alright. Sweet. Crow sends eyelet hardware. Floorboard backup rings. These guys are the real deal. 2-inch wide wraparound shoulders and 2-inch wide clip in from the manufacturer lap belts. Those are freaking perfect. I contacted another manufacturer and asked them about this style with clip-in mounts and pull-up adjusters, and they told me, sorry, we don't make those. I contacted Crow, and the guy at Crow immediately got back to me, and he said, I'll make whatever you want. You tell me what you want, and I'll make it to fit your design. He took, what, a day to put our seat belts together and ship them out, and I mean, they are great quality. I'm a little bit biased. I did run Crow belts when we had the Sprint car, so I know that they're safe. I tested them on a wall once. It's a family owned and run business, it sounds like. We're glad to support them, and we'll be having Crow belts in the car here pretty soon. Bing! Big flat disc and give it a little zip zip. Good as new. So we'll have to shorten those up for sure, because I'm not that big around.
We do the lap belt and then we can do those.
Oh, they're sewn together, so they are what they are. We'll call it close enough. Okay. Tack. Okay, are these cool enough to not
They cooled off enough.
melt anything? Can we put the seat back in it? Ah. Hang on a second, this thing's all wrapped up. Except, okay, let's see.
Better if it would have been going the same direction as the bar, or the 45 or 90 to the bar, like this one is over here. This one needs to shorten up to get this on your shoulder.
I just stuck them in.
This one over here will be all right.
All right, let's show you where we ended up. Eyelet on that side. We're getting ready to weld that guy in. Eyelet over there. Those are for the driver seats. We'll get those welded in. And that safety restraint for the driver's side should be good to go. Now we'll have to get Shannon out here, I believe, and get her in the passenger seat and mark those out, because she'll be the primary rider in this car. She will drive occasionally, but she will, for the most part, be highest usage passenger. We'll get to Welding. I'll show you when we're done. So there you are. That one is all welded in. And that guy's all laid in. At least the seatbelt shouldn't come out of it. May rip the bar in two, but I don't think the weld's gonna come off the seatbelt. Let that guy cool, and we'll throw the seat back in it, clip the belts in, and that one should be finaled. Burn a hole in the seat.
Have a hot back.
Just don't burn a hole in my leggings. I like these ones.
No guarantees.
I hate that.
I mean, really.
Don't burn my hair.
Oh, it's not going to be that bad. Might burn some of the gray out of it.
Hey,
Can I pull them?
I'll be bald. I have a lot more. Stop! Tip me over and see if I stay.
Not that way.
All right, so we got seatbelts in. Shannon's belts are all fitted in. You saw us fitting Shannon. Welded all the way around there. The other one is tucked way down in there. Pretty hard to see. We'll pass that one by for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.